Why do you still freeze in English conversations, even after years of studying? Because your brain is building sentences, one word at a time. Native speakers don't do that. They speak in chunks, in patterns, in word pairs. Today, you'll train your mouth and brain with 100 powerful English word pairs that help you speak faster, smoother, and more confidently.
So I don't need to translate every word anymore?
Exactly. You'll start reacting in English naturally. Before we dive deeper, subscribe to support Anna and Kenny and practice English with us every day.
Each video helps you train your brain, improve pronunciation, and speak more naturally and confidently, step by step.
Exactly. Confidence is a speaking habit. Ready to speak confidently? Like and subscribe for daily English training. Comment Confident English. Watch the full lesson below. Now, let's start.
Now that you have shared your truth, hold on to this anchor.
English with EduWorld.
Speak with structure, lead with confidence.
This is not just a slogan, it is a promise. It is your new identity.
You don't need a million words, you need the right structure.
When you have structure, the confidence follows. When you have confidence, you can lead any conversation.
Repeat this with us before we open the vault. Say it like you mean it.
I speak with structure.
I speak with structure. I speak with structure.
I lead with confidence.
I lead with confidence. I lead with confidence.
I am ready to grow.
I am ready to grow. I am ready to grow.
Stage 5. The Mastery Vault.
This is the heart of our journey. We are going to fix your English one sentence at a time.
Mistake number 1. The fancy word trap.
We already talked about why this is bad. Now let's train your brain to choose the natural path.
We will practice 100 pairs of words. I will say the book word and Kenny will say the natural word.
You must repeat the natural word 3 times. Feel the ease in your mouth.
Purchase.
Buy, buy, buy.
Assist.
Help, help, help.
Magnificent.
Great, great, great.
Exhausted.
Tired, tired, tired.
Require.
Need, need, need.
Obtain.
Get, get, get.
Commence.
Start, start, start.
Terminate.
End, end, end.
Sufficient.
Enough, enough, enough.
Incorrect.
Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Correct.
Right, right, right.
Difficult.
Hard, hard, hard.
Simple.
Easy, easy, easy.
Rapid.
Fast, fast, fast.
Intelligent.
Smart, smart, smart.
Request.
Ask, ask, ask.
Inform.
Tell, tell, tell.
Attempt.
Try, try, try.
Observe.
Watch, watch, watch.
Depart.
Leave, leave, leave.
Arrive.
Get here, get here, get here.
Utilize.
Use, use, use.
Construct.
Build, build, build.
Select.
Choose, choose, choose.
Indicate.
Show, show, show.
Occur.
Happen, happen, happen.
Reside.
Live, live, live.
Possess.
Have, have.
Numerous.
Many, many, many.
Tiny.
Small, small, small.
Enormous.
Big, big, big.
Pleasant.
Nice, nice, nice.
Angry.
Mad, mad, mad.
sad.
Down, down, down.
Before we start practicing with the shadowing method, please support Kenny by hitting the subscribe button or sharing this video with friends who are learning English too.
Yes, let's practice together and improve together.
And make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'll teach Kenny 6 powerful ways to practice speaking English without a partner.
Wait, so I can improve my speaking alone at home?
Exactly. Simple methods, real speaking practice, real confidence.
Happy.
Glad, glad, glad.
I am glad to see you.
I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Can you help me?
I need to buy milk.
I need to buy milk. I need to buy milk.
The movie will start now.
The movie will start now. The movie will start now.
It is very hot today.
It is very hot today. It is very hot today.
I got a new job.
I got a new job. I got a new job.
Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
Show me your phone.
Show me your phone. Show me your phone.
I live in a city.
I live in a city. I live in a city.
I have many friends.
I have many friends. I have many friends.
It is a small world.
It is a small world. It is a small world.
That is a big house.
That is a big house. That is a big house.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Don't be mad at me.
Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me.
I feel a bit down.
I feel a bit down. I feel a bit down.
Let's try again.
Let's try again. Let's try again.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
I need to leave now.
I need to leave now. I need to leave now.
Use your head.
Use your head. Use your head.
Build your dream.
Build your dream. Build your dream.
Choose your path.
Choose your path. Choose your path.
What happened?
What happened? What happened?
It is hard to say.
It is hard to say. It is hard to say.
That is the right way.
That is the right way. That is the right way.
You are wrong about that.
You are wrong about that. You are wrong about that.
I have enough time.
I have enough time. I have enough time.
Let's end the meeting.
Let's end the meeting. Let's end the meeting.
Fast food is not healthy.
Fast food is not healthy. Fast food is not healthy.
He is a smart kid.
He is a smart kid. He is a smart kid.
Ask me anything.
Ask me anything. Ask me anything.
This is easy.
This is easy. This is easy. Mistake number 2. The partner excuse.
You say you cannot practice because you are alone. This is a lie your fear tells you.
You don't need a partner. You need a voice. You have 6 ways to practice alone right now.
Way 1. Talk to yourself. Describe your day.
I am making tea.
I am making tea. I am making tea.
The water is boiling.
The water is boiling. I am making tea.
I like my tea hot.
I like my tea hot. I am making tea. Way 2. Read out loud. Don't just look at the page. Speak the words.
Reading builds muscle.
Reading builds muscle. Reading builds muscle.
Use your voice every day.
Use your voice every day. Use your voice every day. Way 3. Record yourself. Listen to your own soul.
My voice is improving.
My voice is improving. My voice is improving.
I am getting better.
I am getting better. I am getting better. Way 4. Answer questions out loud. Be your own interviewer.
What did I do today?
What did I do today? What did I do today?
I worked hard today.
I worked hard today. I worked hard today. Way 5. Think in English. Move your mind to a new home.
I am hungry now.
I am hungry now. I am hungry now.
What should I eat?
What should I eat? What should I eat? Way 6, shadowing. Be our shadow right now.
I am speaking now.
I am speaking now. I am speaking now.
I am learning fast.
I am learning fast. I am learning fast.
Mistake number 3, the motivation myth. This is the biggest secret.
You wait for motivation to study. Motivation is a fair weather friend. It leaves you when you are tired.
Consistency is the only thing that works. 10 minutes every day is better than 5 hours on Sunday.
Your brain needs daily food. If you don't feed it, it forgets.
Let's practice the daily habit sentences.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
10 minutes is enough.
10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is enough.
No more excuses.
No more excuses. No more excuses.
I am consistent.
I am consistent. I am consistent.
Habit is power.
Habit is power. Habit is power.
Small steps win.
Small steps win. Small steps win.
I never stop.
I never stop. I never stop.
My brain remembers.
My brain remembers. My brain remembers.
I build my future.
I build my future. I build my future.
One day at a time.
One day at a time. One day at a time.
Today is day 1.
Today is day 1. Today is day 1.
I keep my promise.
I keep my promise. I keep my promise.
Success is a habit.
Success is a habit. Success is a habit.
I feel the progress.
I feel the progress. I feel the progress.
English is my life.
English is my life. English is my life.
I speak with ease.
I speak with ease. I speak with ease.
My mind is clear.
My mind is clear. My mind is clear.
I am ready for more.
I am ready for more. I am ready for more.
You have walked through the mastery vault. You have fixed the 3 biggest leaks in your ship.
But a fixed ship is no good if it stays in the harbor forever.
Many people stop here. They feel good, but they don't move. They wait for someday.
But someday is a ghost that haunts your potential.
The cost of waiting is higher than you think. It is the cost of a life half lived.
This ghost has a name. We call it the later trap.
Later is a soft pillow. It feels good now, but it is made of broken dreams. Every time you say tomorrow, you are pushing your success further away.
Think about your career. Think about the meetings where you stayed quiet. Think about the friends you never made.
That is the price of later. It is a heavy tax on your potential. Silence is not free. It costs you opportunities every single day.
Let's fight this ghost together. Practice these sentences to tell your brain that now is the only time that exists.
I start right now.
I start right now. I start right now.
No more waiting.
No more waiting. No more waiting.
Today is my day.
Today is my day. Today is my day.
I choose action.
I choose action. I choose action. Can you feel the energy? That is the sound of your life changing direction. Do not let this feeling go.
You have the map. You have the voice. Now you need to sign the contract that makes this real forever.
This is your moment of truth.
A dream without a plan is just a wish. We need a signature.
We are starting the 30-day consistency challenge right now.
For the next 30 days, you must practice for 10 minutes. No excuses, no breaks.
To sign this contract, look at the comments below. It is your witness.
Write these words. I am consistent.
Let's practice your promise. Say it with strength.
I keep my word.
I keep my word. I keep my word.
I will show up.
I will show up. I will show up.
Every single day.
Every single day. Every single day. You have signed the paper. You are part of the movement.
We will be here waiting for you. Now listen to one last thing before you go.
Stage 8. The final wisdom.
You have traveled a great distance today. You have faced the traps that hold most people back.
But remember, fluency is not a prize you win once. It is a fire you must feed every day.
Most people think they need to be perfect to be heard. They wait until they are flawless to speak.
But perfection is a cold room. Connection is a warm fire. Choose the fire.
Your voice does not need to be fancy. It just needs to be yours. Simple words can move mountains if they are spoken with a brave heart.
You have the tools now. You have the structure. And you have us.
Do not go back to being a shadow. You are a communicator. You are a leader.
We are so proud of your progress today. This is the start of your real story.
Go out. Speak simply. Be consistent. Be you.
English with EduWorld is not just a channel. It's a movement to reclaim our true voices. And it only takes 30 minutes a day, anywhere, anytime. Just you and the rhythm of the language. When you're cooking, speak. When you're walking, speak. Even when you're alone, just describe what you see. Start small, then expand your sentences. Day by day, it gets easier.
So just keep going?
Exactly. Consistency, not perfection. Don't let these 30 minutes stay only with you. There are millions of silent geniuses out there feeling like kids.
If this story touched your heart, send it to a friend, a classmate, a co-worker. Not for a like, but for their freedom.
And if this feels familiar to you, if you've been learning for years but still feel stuck, let's give them the courage to be simple. Let's give them the power to be heard.
Let's give them the courage to be simple. Let's give them the power to be heard. Share the journey, 30 minutes a day. Let's change the way the world speaks English, one friend at a time.
Share the journey, 30 minutes a day. Let's change the way the world speaks English, one friend at a time.